Hello once again to everyone. So today we will be doing another fragrance review. At ang gagawin po natin ay clone comparison or clone wars, no? So clones ba ng anong pabango ang gagawin natin ngayon? So this would be clones of Emporio Armani's Stronger With You Intensely. Stay tuned po. So ayun guys, no, again ang gagawin natin ay comparison of clones or clone wars, no, para po sa mga nakapanood na. Ginawa po natin ito sa channel I believe last month, no, at ang ginawa naman po natin ng clone comparison or clone wars ay yung clones ng Mancera's Instant Crush. Anyway, para po sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, lalagay po natin sa description box yung link. Ayan, no. So guys, ang gagawin po natin naman ngayon ng comparison ng clones ay from Stronger With You Intensely. Ayan, no, para intense na intense. No, at meron po akong dalawa dito. So, I would like to show you. Number one, kilalang kilala na po ninyo ito. This is the interpretation of Symmetry Lab ng Stronger With You Intensely. Sorry po, natanggal lang yung kanyang sticker. At yung pangalawa po, very interesting. Nakita ko lang po ito days ago. I believe ito po ay mga bagong release. And this is Suede Intensely ng Minimaliscent. So, before we compare sila sa isa't isa, and of course with the OG, siguro bigyan natin ng introduction or background yung OG, the Stronger With You Intensely ng Emporio Armani. So ayan, no guys, this is the second flanker or the second release from the Stronger With You line ng Emporio Armani. This is a 2019 release, no? And guys, siguro sabihin ko na sa inyo ngayon, no, this is my favorite from the line. Of course, I own some of them and I have tried all of them, pero for me guys, this is still my favorite, no? And I believe, I know baka po may mga kukontra sa akin dyan, ano? Para sa akin, ang Stronger With You line, this is one of the best designers release, no, ever, no? Personally lang naman yan sa akin, no? So anyway, ito po ang kanyang scent profile. This is ambery, this is warm spicy, this is vanillic, this is nutty, no? So may mga florals yan, may pagka-powdery. Ilalagay po natin somewhere here yung kanyang scent profile indicated ng Fragrantica. At yung kanyang notes, of course, meron po yung juniper, no, meron po yung pink pepper, meron po yung cinnamon, meron siyang toffee note, no, this is an important note sa Stronger With You Intensely. At meron siyang tonka bean, meron po siyang suede. Anyway guys, lalagay po natin din yung mga notes indicated sa Fragrantica somewhere here, no. So, kumusta yung kanyang scent profile? Ano ba yung scent profile nito? What's with the hype, guys? Nung nirelease po ito, lalo po nung talagang dumadami na yung mga frag communities, isa po ang Stronger With You Intensely sa talagang na-hype, no, sa mga frag communities. And hanggang ngayon po, no, isa po ito sa mga hinahanap pa rin. This is one of the sought after na designers perfume, no, sa frag community. And I understand why, no. Siguro let me explain to you yung kanya pong scent profile. So this is basically sweet, no, na may para siyang boozy touch, no. At of course, para po sa mga nakatry na po ng Stronger With You, at even po sa mga hindi pa po nakatry, no, para magkaroon lang tayo ng idea, this is nutty din, no. So may boozy touch, may nutty accords, no, sweet yan, na meron siyang deep earthiness, no, deep florals, no, at meron po siyang warmth, no, from the tonka bean, lalo po sa base, no, at meron po siyang suede, no. So yung suede, alam po natin, this is leathery, this is velvety, no. Yan po ay may konting-konti lang naman na animalic undertones kasi suede, no. So lahat po yan, this is wrapped with vanilla, no. So ayan, no, yan po yung kanyang scent profile. Siguro ang hirap pong mag-describe talaga ng mga scent profile, pero basically yan po yung picture na gusto po nating gawin, no. And again, katulad po na sabi ko kanina, malaki pong role dito ang toffee note, no, or yung caramel note, no. Imagine po yung caramel, lalagyan mo ng nuts, lalagyan mo yan ng juniper or boozy sweet na accord, tapos lalagyan mo ng konting florals, no, lalagyan mo yan ng suede or ng leather, so ganun, no, and you will dip it sa vanilla, so basically para siyang ganun. And performance, guys, pambira, para sa akin napaka solid ng performance nito, no. Lalo po I live in a cold place, I live in Baguio, so ito pong intensely na ito ay yung performance niya, longevity around 8 to 9 hours, no. Siguro on the 9th hour, no, yan po ay skin scent na, pero grabe yung longevity niya sa akin. At yung projection niya, it projects for 2 or more hours, no. And hanggang sa 7th or 8th hour, meron kang scent bubble, amoy na amoy mo siya, no. Talaga namang solid to. Kaya din, no, hindi to advisable sa mainit kasi sweet nutty, no. Maraming vanilla, may tongkabin, may suede, no. So cloying yan, no. So ngayon pa lang po sinasabi ko na po sa inyo, cloying yan sa mainit, no. If you want to try yung from the Stronger With You line ng mas wearable or mas versatile sa mainit, sa malamig, you should go for halimbawa yung Stronger With You Only or Stronger With You Freeze, no. So ayan, guys, no, yan yung kanyang scent profile and performance, no. So ngayon naman we will try to compare, no. Number 1 with the Symmetry Labs interpretation, no. Meron na rin po akong review nito, ilalagay din po natin sa description box yung naging review ko nito. But for me, ito po ang isa sa talaga namang mabenta siguro from the shop of Symmetry Lab, kasi naman ang ganda ng quality, no. At ang sabi ko po dati nung ni-review ko po ito, talaga namang malapit siya, no. I would say na around 80% at most yung kanyang lapit, 75 to 80%. At yung quality niya on its own, very good na rin, no. Pero meron pong lumabas na bago, no, and this is Suede Intensely, no. So ayan, no, we will try to compare. Okay, no. So kamusta yung kanyang opening? So yung opening po ng Intensely, no, the OG one, para po sa akin, this is characterized by boozy and spicy, warm spicy, and yung kanya pong may undertones ng earthy na sweetness. That is because of the juniper and the pink pepper. Of course, yung pink pepper, para lang magkaroon tayo ng idea, that is nutty, no. Yan po yung nagko-contribute usually ng nutty na vibes or scent profile sa isang perfume. So yun po yung contribution ng yun po yung contribution ng pink pepper, no. And para po sa akin, just to give us an idea, you will smell it here. Totoo naman po yun, ano. You will smell it here, pero it goes immediately to the toffee note, no. While in Suede Intensely, no, para po sa akin, sa skin ko, this is strong sa pink pepper and sa juniper, no. In fact po, no, tinatry kong i-compare yung opening nilang tatlo, no. Ito pong tatlo na the OG and the clones, no. I am trying to determine kung ano bang klaseng sweetness meron ito, no. For me po, para siyang amped up na pink pepper to the point na para siyang nagiging honey-like or plum-like, no. I'm trying to think of a perfume na may ganong klaseng sweetness, no. Yung para siyang honey na sinunog, no. Parang ganun, no. Para siyang plum na marami pong na plum na may honey, parang ganun, no. And ang first perfume po na naisip ko dito para po sa mga nakatry na ay yung Dior's Tobacco Lore, no? Or kung na-try na po ninyo kahit po yung tabak ng Maison Alhambra, so parang ganun somehow yung degree or yung point ng tamis na ginamit po ng Suede Intensely. And then of course, pagdating po sa mid, no, ito po yung napansin ko. Of course, mapasok na dyan yung toffee and the cinnamon. Pero ito pong Suede Intensely, this maintains the sweetness. For me po siguro, yung mga deep or yung mga earthy florals po ng OG, siguro dito ay toned down, no? While in here, no, the Symmetry Labs version, nakuha niya yung combination ng toffee, cinnamon, at ng mga florals na yun. So, if you could imagine, this is softer, no? Not in performance, no? Pero I'm saying po na sa kanya pong pagkagamit in comparison po with the OG, no? So, ayun, no, yun po yung napansin ko. And sa base, no, para po sa akin, ito po yung nakakuha ng Suede, no? Kasi po, yung sinasabi ko dito last time, no, while this is a good inspired perfume or clone perfume ng Intensely, pero if you are that person na very meticulous ka sa development ng notes, para po sa akin, itong si Intensely, hindi niya talaga nakuha ng maigi, siguro, no? Hindi niya nakuha ng maigi yung Suede transition, no? From, of course, the cinnamon and the toffee, at yung pagpasok ng Suede, siguro yun yung hindi niya nakuha talaga, no? Pero ito po, nakuha niya, yung Suede Intensely, nakuha niya. So, to the point pa nga, dahil po yung honey-like or plum-like sweetness na sinasabi ko kanina, and papasok bigla yung cinnamon, etc. Yung cinnamon, yung iba pang sweet notes, yung toffee. Tapos papasukan mo pa siya ng Suede, no? Para sa akin, ito po yung pinaka nakakuha siguro, no? And pagdating naman po sa far dry down, siguro after, sabihin natin mga 3 hours, no? Doon na po nagkakapareha po itong tatlo. Ito pong tatlo na kinukumpara natin. Doon na po sila nagkakapareha siguro, no? Siguro this would be the closest, no? Yung cinnamon na yon, yung toffee na yon, yung undertones ng leather sa far dry down during the 3rd or the 4th hour. Doon nyo na po mapapansin yon, no? So guys, ang hirap po talagang bigyan sila ng degree ng closeness, no? Pero po para sa akin, if we would try to compare, ito po, itong dalawa, no, sa opening, siguro yung closest sila, siguro sabihin natin around 65%. At sa mid, nagiging around 80%. At sa base, lumalayo po siya, hindi na po natin bibigyan ng rating. Pero po sa far dry down, naging 85%. At ito pong Suede Intensely, ito po ay sa opening, no, siguro ito yung nakakuha, no, pero may iba tong twist, may ibang twist, para siyang honey, para siyang plum, no? So siguro bigyan natin ng around 70%. And sa mid, of course, 75 to 80%. Sa base, around 75%. At sa dry down, 85% din. So guys, ang next sa katanungan dyan ay, okay ba sila on their own? So, for me po, yes. No? Both po sila, napansin ko, no? Parang same performance, no? Siguro amped up lang konti ang projection nito pong Suede Intensely. Pero, basically, they are good on their own. No, both of this, they last for around, sabihin natin 5-6 hours. Okay na po yun, no? For the price, wag na po tayong humanap ng sobrang dapat matagal, dapat okay na po siya for the price, no? At yung OG nga po, sabi ko mga 8 hours, no? Okay na po yun, no, for the price. And sa projection, no, sabi ko po ay medyo amped up to because of that honey or plum-like or burnt sugar na something na interpretation or twist na ginawa po ng Minimalist. Pero this projects for a good almost 2 hours, at ito din po projects good for more than an hour, no? So ayan guys, siguro po as a last na advice in getting these clones, no, of course not all can afford sa ngayon, no, or pinag-ipunan pa yung BNIB nito, no. At marami pong mag-gravitate towards the Sway Intensely or the Symmetry Labs interpretation. So, advice, kung number one, of course, kung ikaw ay nasa mainit na lugar palagi, I don't really recommend Stronger With You Intensely. No, kasi po matamis yan eh. May suede yan, lalo po ito, no, may suede yan. Meron po siyang tonka bean, meron siyang cinnamon. If you could imagine, no, napaka-cloying niyan sa mainit. No, of course you could try, no, pero hindi mo ma-enjoy yung note development. Kaya I advise na magamit lang siya during special occasions, no, or kahit pag nasa air-conditioned area ka, okay lang, no, pero mas okay siya sa halimbawa sa mga date or family gatherings, no, na yung lugar ay malamig or nasa air-conditioned place, no, so okay yan, no. At yung pangalawa, if you are looking for an interpretation na mas safer siguro for blind buy, no, go for the Symmetry Labs interpretation, kasi po baka maging cloying sa inyo to, no. This is a good performer pero baka maging cloying ito po kasi mas toned down yung kanyang sweet properties, parang ganun, ano. So ayun guys, no, pero on their own guys, would I recommend them? Yes and yes and yes, no. Talaga namang on their own okay na okay sila, no. Yung percentage na binibigay natin kanina, those are just percentages, no. Again, sabi ko po sa inyo, mahirap po talaga magbigay ng percentage, no. Pero guys, hanga ako sa Symmetry Lab, hanga ako sa Minimalist. Shout out po sa inyo, sobrang solid po ng ginawa ninyo. And guys, we will put the links ng mga shop na ito below, no. Please do check them out, no. Sa 300 to 500 meron ka ng quality clone perfumes. Ito po 30 ml, around 300 po ito. And this is the 50 ml of Stronger With You Intensely and Symmetry Lab. I believe this is 500, 499, mga ganun, o 450, around that price range, no. So yun lang guys, again, no, kudos po, maraming salamat po, Symmetry Lab and Minimalist, no. At again, no, ang Stronger With You Intensely, one of the best perfumes for me personally. So yun lang po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Nawa po ay naging helpful po to sa inyo. And if you find this interesting also, if you find this helpful, please do support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo.